Today, we're tackling a burning question. Can I use YNAB on my computer? Now, you might be thinking, isn't YNAB a mobile app? Well, yes, it is. And it's fantastic for those quick budget checks on the go. But what if you want to dive deep, analyze your spending habits, or simply prefer the comfort of a larger screen? YNAB on desktop, a powerhouse pairing. Let's talk about the YNAB desktop app. It's like having a financial command center right at your fingertips. Here's what makes it so awesome. A bigger picture, the larger screen allows you to see more of your budget at once. You can easily compare categories, track trends, and spot potential money leaks. Keyboard shortcuts, speed up your budgeting process with keyboard shortcuts. Assign actions to keys, like tabbing between fields, adding transactions, or navigating menus. Multiple monitors. If you're a multitasker, you can have YNAB open on one screen while you're working on other things on another. Customizable interface. Tailor YNAB to your preferences. Adjust font sizes, colors, and layouts to create a workspace that suits your style. Offline access. Worried about internet connectivity? No problem. The desktop app allows you to work offline, ensuring you can manage your finances even when you're not connected. How to get started with YNAB on desktop. Getting YNAB on your computer is a breeze. Here's a quick guide. Download the app. Head over to the YNAB website and download the app for your specific operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Log in. Use your existing YNAB account to log in. Start budgeting. You're all set. Start budgeting, tracking your spending, and reaching your financial goals. Tips for a smooth YNAB desktop experience. To make the most of your YNAB desktop experience, here are a few tips. Regular syncs. Ensure your desktop app is synced with your mobile app to keep your budget up to date. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn and use keyboard shortcuts to boost your efficiency. Customize your workspace. Experiment with different layouts and settings to find what works best for you. Take advantage of offline mode. Use offline mode to manage your budget even when you're not connected to the internet. So, can you use YNAB on your computer? Absolutely. YNAB's desktop app is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. Whether you're a seasoned YNAB user or a newcomer, the desktop app offers a more immersive and efficient budgeting experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.